Oh well, I didn't feel like to cook Korean food today, so what I am going to show you today is... It's a Japanese food. And I fucked up on the video setting today.